Hello, welcome back. It's Jenny here from Jenny Wren Floristry Arts and Crafts, and now it is your second part of your wreath making kit, the rustic style wreath. And what we're going to do now is we're going to add the ivy. We're going to do exactly the same as we did with the willow. We're simply going to take the ivy. If you've got a little space, which I'm sure you do by now, thread it through, and all you're doing is just twisting it around the base of the willow and use up all the ivy stems. Right, you best get on with it. I will show you as I'm going the various stages. Use it all. The more natural it looks, the more spaces and gaps that you create, the better effect it's going to be. Keep going. How are you doing? Starting to look amazing. So have a look at it. If it's a little sparse, build it up in that corner. Keep going, you're nearly there. The next part now is the decorating. What I suggest to do after you clean your table is that you lay out your material in front of you. You should have your teasels, your orange slices, your cones, your berries, the other branch of cones. You've got your mixed foliage and of course your wreath. Now I'm going to give you a lot more design choice. I'm going to give you a few hints of how you can do it, but the actual way you decide to decorate the wreath is entirely up to you. As I mentioned, the holes and the weave that we have created gives you fantastic poetic license, shall we say, to decorate in so many different ways. So the first way we're going to do is we're going to actually just weave it through. But before we do that, I'm just going to teach you, for those who don't have a glue gun, how to wire your material. For those of you who haven't got a glue gun, not a problem. You can use your real wire and just cut a piece off. And for the base of the cone, you get all different kinds of cones, but effectively what you're going to do is you're just going to thread the wire at the back, secure it, and twist it just a few times. And then simply, when you're on the wreath, you can just nestle it amongst the greenery. When it comes to wiring the oranges, take a reasonable length of wire, place it through the orange segments, tougher than I thought actually, which is good. It means they're good quality. There you go. Right. Twist them at the top like that, so they're together. And then leave your wire open either side, the side where you're going to place it on the wreath, and wire it on. I'm going to put the cones in, so I quite like them as a focal point. So there it is, almost finished. We've got the orange slices in, we've got the clothes, we've got a bit of bling. I keep a lot of things natural, as you can see by the photos that I put earlier. So I might just pimp this up a little bit. I've got some gold baubles and I've got some a gold bow. So I'll put the final picture of the completed wreath at the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'm wishing you all a blessed and happy Christmas. Until next time, bye bye now.